What are you cooking?
Yeah, girl. You know I know how to throw down in the kitchen.
You do, or you know how to put stuff in the oven?
Both.
Huh?
Both.
And you don't need that whole vent on. You're not even cooking. You're just putting things together. Why?
Because to take the heat away. Look at you. You're so gorgeous.
What? You like me?
Look at you. Oh. Close your eyes. Wow.
Did I really pay that much?
How much was it? 80 bucks, right?
$80.
My gosh.
It's soft though.
It's soft and $80.
And 80 bucks. It's gonna be so soft and cozy though, and so warm.
That's cute. That shirt. The Mickey Mouses.
Oh yeah. It says classic. What do you think?
Cute. You are ready, honey.
It's so soft. I feel like a teddy bear. I look like a teddy bear. Don't you just want to hug me?
Yes.
You're gonna make that rice all mushy. Why are you moving it like that? Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 11. So right now George is cooking us some dinner and I just finished filming. I transferred all the footage and as you can see I am ready to go for a fun night out on the town. We're gonna go up to River Oaks, which is one of our yearly traditions during Christmas time. We go to the rich people houses and we go spy on their houses because they're so freaking beautiful. It's like hashtag goals, okay, for Christmas time.
Hi.
Hello
everyone.
Ooh. Oh, this one's spilling a little bit.
Spilling?
Hello you guys. We are trying to spy on George to see what he is up to. Let's see what he's up to. Acting a fool at Starbucks. Whoa. Can you see him? Yeah. Wait, how do I zoom in? You go to your right. Look at this foolishness. I wish I could just call him and be like, hey George! Can you spot him? I see something white and red. And pointing on someone's head. Oh, that rhymed! Oh my gosh, we should be rhymers. Dr. Seuss over here. Oh, it left. Whoa, what is it doing? What is it doing? It's blinking. Oh, that's because you're covering the eye view. I don't know what that is. We probably look creepy.
Oh man. Hello.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on, don't tell. There, they're gone. Can you look back?
What are you doing? Are you recording me?
We're recording how ridiculous you look. What does he remind me of? Someone that goes crazy with a Christmas hat on. He goes, ooh. Oh my gosh, why is he wearing it for real? In a Starbucks.
Is this a house? This is a house, Julie. Wow. Have you ever seen one before? Never seen the house.
This is
It's West Timer?
Mm-hmm.
This is River Oaks.
These are called actually
Like CEOs and
celebrities.
Basketball players.
maybe, yeah. Maybe celebrities.
Look at it, look at it.
I think it's this house. Yeah, this
I'm
is the
gonna
house.
cry, look.
Sleepwalking. You don't think this is magical? Are you enjoying this? Yeah. Kids these days, they don't know what this is like. We need to take pictures, guys. Are you okay?
We were trying to come in. Well, I was trying to go in the picture. He was trying not to.
Yeah.
I just felt them behind me. Matthew, okay?
He wants a girlfriend.
He wants a girlfriend.
He wants a girlfriend to share this with. He has a girl in mind, I'm pretty sure.
Well?
Well, what?
You're so mean. Because you didn't close it.
Fancier
Actually,
you
Troy,
are.
can you take a picture of me?
Wow.
I swear she sabotages my pictures. Wearing the lipstick.
Hey babe, you should take some slow-mos with your camera, with your phone.
For what?
Because I think salen mejor with your phone. Are you listening to me?
So nice. Look at these reeds.
You gotta add for some reason to change to another song. Right there, they're right there.
You're so funny. You look.
I'm dying.
Y'all took too long to notice. You know what could have happened in those 10 seconds? We could have died.
From what?
They're not berries. They're ladybugs. No. And Bambi, whenever he's like, he's not a flower. That's okay. He can call me a flower if he wants to. If he wants. Damn.
For yourself a merry little Christmas night, and have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go.
Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Beautiful, right? Beautiful Christmas
Amazing.
lights.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.